Hello guys, and welcome back to another hotel room review. I'm here inside of the Hilton Garden Inn in one of the lovely single room, if you may. I didn't know that this particular Hilton was right next to the Homewood Suites. I already did a review of this particular room. I'll put a link somewhere around here inside of the video right now, but just enough for the yammer, just for you guys to see exactly what's up. Alright, so we're back here at the front door. Right, so we got standard lock, all that good stuff, emergency plan and all that stuff. We got lights and we got a iron. What's in here? We have a dryer and some stuff to hang, put your stuff in, I guess. Another one down there, that's a vent, put your luggage, ironing board, hang up your stuff, nice little cable, or should I say nice little mirror. To your right from the left from your door, you have a nice little bathroom here. This actually looks pretty nice and clean, if you see that. So looks like it was just renovated except for that part up there in the corner, but it looks good. It comes with a bar of soap, hand towel, got a nice little Sterling toilet here. See, washcloths and hand towels and all that good stuff. More towels. What is this? Facial soap. Nice. Tissues, stuff to plug his thing in, and we got more lights and stuff like that. And what we have here, it comes with Neutrogena body lotion, bathe gel, shampoo and conditioner, and extra toilet paper and some more towels if you want to go to the pool perhaps. And yeah, that's it for the bathroom. We're gonna head on down to the room itself. Excuse my stuff. To the right here we have, I do believe this is a fridge. Oh yeah, there's a fridge here. Does this open? It should. It's kind of oh, there we go. It popped finally. Looks like it hasn't been used for a while. You come with the standard Keurig. I think all of these are courtesy stuff you could use. Mélange Maison, if I pronounce that correctly. Water and all that stuff you could use for the Keurig. You got your own microwave so you could heat up your food and stuff like that. So that's a big plus point. And we have a big king bed with stop, like outlets. I was gonna say stop contacts, but that's the Dutch word. There's like outlets everywhere, here, there. Light switch for this big thing here. Huge bed, nice king size bed, really good. And this light here, I haven't figured out how to turn it on. Let's see. Voila. So that's like a nice little fixture, right? Looks good. More outlets, way to plug in your stuff. This looks like a smart TV. I could tell from, oh, there's a box behind there with an Ethernet cable. It's a big TV, huge TV. Let's see what's on here. Oh, safety box. Cool. And don't know if it's working. I'll test that out in a bit. And don't worry about my stuff. And we have the remote and all that good stuff. Another lamp. Nice little, oh, even more outlets. Jeez, they expect you to plug a lot of devices in, I guess. Nice little painting. Nice little chair for you to chill out in, maybe fall asleep in, if you may. More lights. Let's go here now. More lights. All right. And even more outlets in the back here. So yeah, this is pretty good. To me, it's like about the same size as the Homewood Suites that I stayed in, which is actually the same building, if you may. But seeing that it's night, I can't really show you how it looks outside where I am to show you exactly like at this, should I say, a unique view. But this is what I'm seeing. I'm seeing street view, and you can see the Dolphin Mall is right down there. So you're pretty much close. So you have like a 3 minutes walk. That's what Google says on the map from the building to Dolphin Mall. I kind of like this. This is nice. It's really nice. So yeah, I'm gonna be working here tonight. Okay, I don't know what happened there. Maybe mascara or something. I don't know. But I'll be working here, so you have a place to sit and do your video calls if you're here on business or whatever. And the kids could go and play in the pool because there's enough towels for you to go and hand out, dish out. And maybe your wife